looks like I'm not happy. What shall I do?
She ran away? I never know she could run away from me. I don't know why.
I better get Boxxo. It looks like I have to go in another English class. It's between QSS, okay?
Lowe's College is not good enough, isn't it?
Nope. Miller's College is not good, so I have to say QSS, okay? Congratulations! Okay. I've never been so exhausted before. I'm sorry, Boxxo. I'll let you down.
It's alright. Sometimes I wish that Lowe's College would be wearing a school uniform.
Yeah, I just don't want to. But I'll say QSS, okay? Congratulations! Good. I feel comfortable, I know. It's nighttime, so I had to go to sleep.
She's sleeping? Well, I guess that's a good night then.